Yeah.
I didn't say videotape.
Too bad.
I said take pictures.
I got bored of taking pictures. They're the same ones.
Whoa! Thank you. Where are you going with the ball? Hey! Hey! Ah! Okay. Oh.
Trying to nail him in the head? Jonathan.
To the bag. It's in the bag. The ball's in the bag. In the bag. Behind you now. You're getting colder, warmer, warmer, colder. In here. He's going in there. Look in there. See what's in there. Is it in there? Look again. Is it in there? Look. Is it in there? Throw it at Mom.
Don't throw it at Mom. Where's the balloon? Where's your gun?
Put your car on there. Put your ball back up there. Put your ball right here. Up a little higher. Oh, do it again. Right here. Right here. There you go. There you go. Now put the car back.
Put it back. Push it back for him.
All over it, baby.
She knows how he puts it in right.
Mark a sec. Go! Race car. Really, go. Are you gonna go? Oh! Sorry.
Tell her just ruin it.
That'd be cool if this came up and said, "Run."
It does make noise, but we don't have batteries for it.
What size does it take?
We don't know. We haven't opened it yet. We might have batteries for it.
You say you have all those AAAs.
Yeah. Hey, baby, do we have a screwdriver in the kitchen? Do we have a screwdriver in the kitchen?